Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Yupik sushi roll crackers. Okay, so these are rice crackers. These are the ingredients, as you can see. So it does have soy, and they use soy to actually flavor it. So that's nutrient found. If you guys want to read it, pause it. Let's open this up. Alright, so here it is all opened up. This is what they look like. So you got the seaweed wrapped around a rice cracker. And it tastes really good. If you're a fan of seaweed and you like rice crackers, you'll like this. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.